Good morning and welcome in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy, Bethian. Students, myself Dr. Janan, and we have the topic real flow and money flow. Students, in the previous video you have discussed that from the macro point of view we divide economy into the four sectors: household sector, producer sector, government sector and the external sector. And we have also discussed that these sectors are interdependent and it leads to the intersectoral flow. And we can study intersectoral flow in the following part: real flow, money flow and the circular flow. Real flow, money flow and the circular flow. Real flow refers to the flow of goods and services among different sectors of economy. Here we have taken the model in the two sector economy that make our explanation easy and it is better to understand as prescribed by your syllabus. It is given in the two sector economy. Here there is the two sector, household sector and the producer sector or for. You already know that the flow of goods and services among with the different sectors of economy is called the real flow, where we can understand that factor services flow from the household sector to producer sector and the goods and services flow the producer sector to household sector. The students, you already know that consumers, household sectors, in the household sectors consumers are found. Consumers or household sectors are the owner of the factor services, land, labor, capital, it is, and they are the consumers of goods and services produced by the producer sector. You know, household sector is the owner of the factor services and producer sectors of firms hire or purchase these factors of production for the use in the process of production. So these factor services flow from household sector to producer sector. Here producer sectors hire these factor services or purchase these factor services for the process of production. After it, producer sectors produces goods and services, and these goods and services produced by the producer sector are sold to the household sector. Household sector purchases these goods and services for the consumption. In this way, the goods and services produced here flow to the household sector. This is the continuous flow among the different sector of the economy. Among this sector of economy, the continuous flow of the goods and services is called real flow. It is the continuous unbreakable flow in the economy. The students, when there was the barter system in the olden days, then this real flow was found in the economy, not the money. But you already know that now goods and services are purchased and sold with the help of the money. So there is the existence of the real flow along existence of the money flow along with this real flow and money. Money flow refers to the flow of income and money among the different sectors of economy. It is the reciprocal of the real flow. Here we see that real flow is moving in this way. Factor services and goods and services. But money flow moves reciprocal of the real flow. Now we have to understand. You already know that in the modern days, goods and services are purchased and sold with the help of the money. When the household sector, when the producer sector hire or purchase factor services, land, labor, capital, etc., then it has to pay for these services. So the factor payments flow from the producer sector to household sector. Suppose producer sector hire labor, building from the household sector. Then producer sector have to pay wages, rent to the household sector. In this way, payments of factor services like wages and salary, rent, interest, etc. flow producer sector to the household sector. Here you see that the goods and services produced by the producer sector are consumed by the household sector. So household sectors have to pay for those goods and services which they take from the they purchase from the producers. So they pay for the goods and services. In this way, expenditure on the purchase of goods flow from the household sector to the producer sector. In this way, money and income flow among these household sectors and producer sectors. Now you understand that how real flow and money flow exists in the economy. It is the continuous flow. After it, we have to discuss about the circular flow. Thank you and watch the next video.